Today, we have with us at Gruszka Cytryna, Heinz Voegeding, ex-motocross rider and recently karting driver. After a successful career in motocross and a long pause, he decided to come back to motorsport, this time in four wheels. So, first of all, Heinz, thank you very much for accepting the invite. Can you tell us a little bit from yourself?
Yeah, so I'm now 71 years old, and I'm just married 34 years with my wife. Before I meet her, I was every weekend on motor race and motocross and Geländesport. Geländesport? That is enduro. Now it's enduro.
Right.
Now talk in the past say Geländesport. And then I was KTM driver, Husqvarna driver, Maiko. I was 70 years. I don't know in English. Ich habe eine Ausbildung gemacht in einer Firma, also eine Lehre als Werkzeugmacher. Und dann habe ich einen Moped-Unfall gehabt mit 50 Kubik Moped. Ich habe in 6 Wochen im Krankenhaus gelegen, Operation mit dem Oberschenkel. Und in der Zeit habe ich die Zeitschrift Das Motorrad abonniert gehabt, also ein Abo. Und ich habe I live by my grandpa and he make a phone call to the Zeitschrift Das Motorrad. Das Motorrad hat mir ein Buch geschickt ins Krankenhaus. Send me a book and the name from the book is Motocross, Härte ohne Grenzen. Das war, ich habe das Buch gelesen und dann habe ich die Lust gefunden, also Motocross zu fahren. Das war der Auslöser praktisch.
Very, very impressive because you were in the hospital and then from the hospital you went flying in a motorbike. What a contrast. You stopped for around 22 years competing. Why did you come back to...
Ja, der Motorradfahren mache ich eigentlich auch nur als Spaß. Ich habe so viele Erfolge gehabt mit dem Motocross. Ich brauche das nicht. Beim letzten Rennen zum Beispiel war ein junger Fahrer, der war Gastfahrer in meiner Klasse. Der war vor mir und in der Kurve war ich schon neben ihm und ich hätte vorbeifahren können, aber dann hätte er rausgeflogen und das wollte ich nicht. Dann habe ich einfach zurückgezogen und habe ihn fahren lassen.
Wow. So,
ja. Er hat dann dritter Platz gemacht und ich habe vierter. Ist egal. Ja. Früher beim Motocross hätte ich das nicht, dann wäre ich hier reingehalten. Aber heute ist nicht mehr so wichtig. Wichtig ist dabei zu sein und sie helfen mir alle. Das ist total toll. Also bei dem Karting.
Okay. You miss a little bit the motocross feeling or experience?
Ja, no. Ich vermisse es schon, ja, aber die Knochen sind halt kaputt gegangen bei dem Fahren. Knie und alles. Und Ja, jetzt, wenn ich schreibe da in den Büchern, dann kommt es wieder langsam so, die Erinnerungen. Und war schon eine schöne Zeit auch. Aber es ist halt hart. Motocross ist eine der härtesten Sportarten, wo es gibt.
Yes.
Und man muss viel Training machen, viel Training.
All right. All right. I'm sure that your house is full of trophies.
Yeah.
And are you making a space now for the new trophies to come with karting? Do you already have a room or something?
No, only small.
Well, by now, but I have the feeling that it will start growing very soon.
I have in meiner Werkstatt habe ich eine Wand, meine Pokale, my trophies, and the other wall is from my little son trophies, and one wall is a little bit from my son with soccer.
Do you think your sons and nieces have a lot of pressure that they must win everything? How do they live with a champion like you?
No, I think ich denke, die Kinder, die sind schon stolz drauf, aber die machen ihr eigenes Programm. Also der große Sohn hat Fußball gespielt und hat immer gut trainiert und hat aber kein Profi werden wollen. Und der Junge, der wo Go-Kart gefahren ist, der Paul, der ist schon so ein bisschen so wie ich. Also beim Go-Kart war das so, da hat er immer gewinnen wollen. Hat viel Druck gemacht, dass er gewinnt. Er wollte immer ganz vorne sein. Und jetzt beim Triathlon ist er ganz anders. Da sagt er, das muss man langsam aufbauen und er ist zufrieden mit jedem Ergebnis. Das ist halt ganz anders. Es gibt auch keinen Druck von mir, du musst oder so. Ne? Das mache ich nicht.
You didn't put any pressure in your children to win. Would you say you acted more like a coach? Which kind of advices do you give to your children when they start competing?
Wichtig ist, dass sie Spaß haben, gut mit den Konkurrenten umgehen, also kein Hass aufbauen oder so. Ne? Also eigentlich nur Spaß am Sport haben. Ne? Genau.
Okay.
Und wenn man Spaß hat, kommt auch der Erfolg.
Which has been the best advice you have received in your life?
Yeah, I have some people who give me what he can. So when I start my motocross career, I was together with my mentor. The name was Horst Gemeinhardt. We talked to him Bohne. He's so little man, so klein wie eine Bohne. Der Bohne hat immer gesagt, du musst viel fahren, Training und keine Angst haben. Also vorsichtig, aber genau halt. Ich habe viel von ihm gelernt. Also wir haben auch zusammen gearbeitet mit Autoschweißen und so. Damals in Essen noch. Und von ihm habe ich auch mein erstes Motorrad gekauft. Dann habe ich viel Kontakt gehabt mit Wolfgang Müller. Der war ein Werksfahrer bei Maiko. Und von dem habe ich dann viel Instruktionen bekommen fürs Fahren auch. Ne? Und immer viel geguckt, dass alles funktioniert, aber auch viel Training gemacht. Das ist wichtig beim Motocross, ja. Dass alles automatisch geht, weißt, wenn du Motocross fährst, wenn der hugelig ist, dann musst du aufstehen und es muss alles automatisch gehen.
How many motorcycles have you had? Is it 10? 10 motorcycles?
I think, yeah.
Wow. And
so I have two Maiko, then I have Maiko, more Maiko, 500 Maiko, 250 Maiko, 125 Maiko. Then I have KTM 125, then Yamaha 4-stroke 500, Yamaha 4-stroke 600, Husqvarna 500 4-stroke and 2-stroke. And the last was CCM. No, then CCM 2, CCM vom Importeur von Schweiz. And the last was Yamaha 600, Stay 600.
All right.
For 3 3-hour Motocross races. Am Bodensee war ein Rennen,
Aha.
3 Stunden Motocross, und nach einer Stunde habe ich den Fuß gebrochen und bin noch 2 Stunden mit dem gebrochenen Fuß gefahren.
Oh.
Yeah, and then I go to Siegerehrung,
Aha.
eat Wurst, and then I go with my transporter at home. And
Wow.
then I come home and my wife say, yeah, now it's finished. I bring Dad, you must listen my book. This
Yeah. Absolutely.
the last story in my book is it. She say, I bring you to hospital, I come not to look for you, and when you are finished, I come and take you out. That was hard. I have by motocross 13 operations.
13 operations.
13 only by motocross.
Only by motocross. There were.
And then I have two new knee proteses.
Yes.
And heart operation, and altogether 19 full operation.
Almost new. Everything is renovated.
And then 2003, all stop.
Finished.
Finished. So
Yeah.
finito.
Yeah.
And then
Wow.
I go with soccer with my big son. And after, when my little son is coming and say, smell good benzene, my wife say, okay, you can drive, but not motorcycle.
Good. So that is also another advice that you received, no, from your wife. I can relate the fear in the family because and I only do track days with my car from time to time. I used to race in karting in the past, and but with the car now and in circuits, my family is always nervous.
But karting is not so dangerous like motocross.
No, absolutely.
Motocross is motocross or motorcycle on the streets is also
yes
dangerous. Yeah, one time when I come from Essen to Karlsruhe, I have no so much money, and then I make jumping over the cars like a stuntman.
Wow.
Yeah,
that's also a story to tell.
There's also a story and a picture in my book.
Was it for a show or?
Ja, for sure. Da war eine Motorradmesse und ich habe damit Geld verdient.
You have Led Zeppelin in your helmet.
Yeah, but when I'm a young boy, I was in Grugerhalle in Essen, and I was I see Led Zeppelin in concert. So I was there, and I go and singing, and I like the music. So it's speed. The music is speed.
Yes.
And that is what I like. Yeah, rock and roll.
Absolutely, definitely.
Rock and roll. I like motocross.
Absolutely. Yes.
So that I like, and then I say to Lisa the Philips, they make the helm, and I say I like on the top Led Zeppelin, and she makes the picture. And my lovely film is Top Gun. Do you see on the front?
Yes, I saw it.
I like it. When I'm 66, my wife give me a complete room in the cinema.
Wow.
And we with all my birthday guests, we go there and look Top Gun.
That is a great.
What a
gift! That is really cool.
Yeah, very cool.
You are all a very, very special family. We know very well why the connection remains after 34 years. That's for sure.
And in the past, so I meet Michael Schumacher and in the aircraft when I come back from Japan. So I meet Mika Häkkinen, and Michael Schumacher and so. And now my daughter is fan from Formula One. They
Wow.
look every weekend.
That is good.
Sometimes we look together.
And does she also like racing?
Yeah, she like racing, but not doing. One time he make with a car slalom kart, nicht go-kart with auto.
Oh.
Bei unserem Club hier, Leader Time, and she drive one and winning.
And by the way, now that you mentioned Formula One, what do you think about the actual Formula One that is almost half electric and half combustion?
I don't like electric, but yeah, I think that is the future. I meet Max Verstappen when he is a young boy. We drive together in Belgium, in Genk, by racing, and I meet George Russell. We drive together but not I, my son Paul drive with him. Drive with Mick Schumacher together in one year. My Paul and my wife stay with Corinna Schumacher on the top and look for the race. And two mamas meet. Yeah, look to the race. So
from the driving style, could you predict that they will be in Formula One?
My son.
Well, yeah, well, your son, and also
he have 2 time make test fahrt in Hockenheim with the Formula car, but no, it's too much expensive.
It's too expensive. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. You need. I think when you will start a career in Formula One, you need 8 million euro.
I have spoken with already a few drivers and that have immense talent, but unfortunately do not have economic.
You need talent, but you need money.
Exactly.
And sometimes the money push out the talent.
Yes, that is also true.
Many drivers only have money but cannot good drive.
Yeah.
And some drivers can some people can good drive but have no money.
Who has been your toughest competitor?
Yeah, I think my problem was every time I'm work with my company, and so I have not so much time for practice.
Then I think we can finish here the interview.
Yeah.
I have to say it was amazing time this with you here, and getting a lot of inspiration. And I really thank you for your time, Heinz.
Yeah, no problem. So I like it to talk from my past career.
Then, guys, thanks a lot.
Good.
All the best. Let's keep in touch.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.